Welcome back to the place where we dive deep into everything automotive. From bikes to cars, from specs to real-world performance, we've got you covered. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. And if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. In today's video, we'll be taking a detailed look at the much-anticipated 2026 Royal Enfield Meteor 350. We'll be talking about everything from its design, engine performance, ride quality, features, and of course, how it compares to other bikes in its class. So, whether you're a Royal Enfield fan or just someone who's curious about this bike, this review will cover everything you need to know. The Meteor 350 has been Royal Enfield's entry into the modern cruiser segment, and with the 2026 update, they've taken the bike to a whole new level. But first, let's talk about the history of the Meteor 350. The Meteor was first launched in 2020 as a replacement for the Thunderbird series, which was popular among long-distance riders and enthusiasts who wanted a cruiser-style bike. With its updated engine, modern features, and sleek design, the Meteor quickly gained a loyal following. But Royal Enfield didn't stop there. They've continued to refine the bike to offer even more performance, comfort, and style in the 2026 iteration. One of the first things that catch your eye with the 2026 Meteor 350 is its retro-modern design. Royal Enfield has done an exceptional job combining classic cruiser styling with modern-day features, resulting in a bike that appeals to both traditionalists and younger riders alike. The bike continues to feature that signature round headlamp that gives it that iconic Enfield look. However, for 2026, the headlamp now incorporates a more modern LED setup, providing better visibility at night. It's a small yet impactful update that blends vintage charm with modern functionality. The tank design remains one of the Meteor's most striking features. The teardrop-shaped fuel tank has always been one of the most recognizable parts of Royal Enfield's lineup, and they've refined it in this new model. With updated paint schemes and new tank graphics, the 2026 Meteor is even more eye-catching. The new colors, including the deep metallic blues and matte blacks, add a touch of modern elegance to the bike. Moving on to the side panels, the 2026 Meteor retains the simple yet classic look. The side panels are smooth, with minimalistic lines that keep the bike's silhouette clean and unfluttered. The chrome accents around the bike, especially on the exhaust, are also polished to give a bit of shine, without being overdone. One of the more significant changes in the 2026 Meteor is the redesigned seat. The seat now features a thicker foam padding for additional comfort, making those long rides much more bearable. Plus, the slightly wider rider's seat and improved cushioning ensure that your butt isn't going to be aching after a few hours in the saddle. The 2026 Meteor 350 also comes equipped with larger, more robust alloy wheels. These give the bike a more solid and premium look. And when it comes to handling, they provide better stability and a smoother ride on various surfaces. The updated suspension setup also adds to the overall ride quality, ensuring comfort whether you're cruising through city streets or taking a long highway journey. The engine is at the heart of every Royal Enfield, and the 2026 Meteor 350 is no exception. The Meteor is powered by the same 349cc, air-cooled, single-cylinder engine that has been refined for 2026. This engine is a part of the new J-Series platform, which is known for its smooth performance and reliability. It produces around 20 horsepower and 27 Nm of torque, which is a solid figure for a cruiser at this price point. But what's even more exciting is the fact that the engine's tuning has been improved for better low-end torque. This means that the bike feels more responsive in city traffic and offers a much smoother experience when you're cruising around town. Royal Enfield has also made sure that the power delivery is linear, which makes the Meteor 350 a joy to ride at both low and higher speeds. One of the things that impresses me about the Meteor 350 is its refinement. The engine is very smooth and you'll notice less vibration compared to older Enfield models. Royal Enfield has done an excellent job balancing old-school charm with modern engineering, which results in a bike that's easy to ride without feeling too rough around the edges. It's ideal for both beginners and experienced riders who enjoy a more relaxed pace. The 2026 Meteor 350 also comes equipped with a 5-speed gearbox that shifts smoothly and easily. The clutch is light, which means you won't have to deal with much fatigue even in heavy traffic. The bike's fuel efficiency is another big plus, expect to get around 30 to 35 km/h under normal riding conditions, which makes it a great option for long-distance tours or daily commuting. When it comes to ride quality, the 2026 Meteor 350 truly shines. One of the standout features of the Meteor is its ability to handle both city and highway conditions with ease. The bike is not only designed to be a commuter-friendly cruiser, but it's also built for long-distance touring. And Royal Enfield has ensured that the ride quality on this bike is exceptional, whether you're navigating through tight city streets or cruising on the open highway. The new suspension setup has been tuned to offer better comfort and stability. The front fork and twin rear shocks soak up bumps and road imperfections efficiently, allowing for a smooth and controlled ride. Whether you're cruising over rough tarmac or riding through urban potholes, the Meteor suspension keeps things plush and comfortable. And even when riding over long stretches of highway, the bike maintains its composure, making it a solid choice for those weekend getaways or cross-country rides. Handling-wise, the 2026 Meteor is stable and predictable. The bike's geometry is well balanced, so you won't feel overwhelmed by its weight, which is around 191 kg, and the wide handlebar provides good leverage, making it easier to maneuver. The new larger wheels, combined with improved suspension, make the Meteor feel planted on the road. One area where the 2026 Meteor 350 has received a noticeable upgrade is in the technology department. The Meteor now comes with a fully digital instrument cluster, replacing the older analog setup. The digital display is large, easy to read, and packed with useful information. It shows everything from speed, trip details, fuel consumption, and even the gear position indicator. The instrument cluster also includes a built-in Bluetooth system that pairs with your smartphone, giving you access to turn-by-turn navigation. This feature, called the Tripper Navigation System, is a game-changer for those who like to take their bike on long trips. You'll be able to follow directions directly from the instrument cluster without needing to glance down at your phone. It's a great safety feature, and it adds a modern touch to the Meteor. Another cool feature is the LED lighting system. The Meteor 350 now comes with full LED headlamps, tail lights, and turn indicators, which not only improve visibility but also enhance the bike's modern aesthetics. The LED setup is brighter, and it ensures that you're seen even in low light conditions. This is especially important if you plan to ride at night or during adverse weather conditions. Safety has always been a priority for Royal Enfield, and the 2026 Meteor 350 is equipped with a strong braking system to ensure confident stopping power. The Meteor comes with a 300mm disc brake up front and a 270mm disc brake at the rear. Both brakes are supported by dual-channel ABS, providing added security when braking in slippery conditions or during emergency stops. The braking performance is impressive, offering strong stopping power with minimal effort. The bite is progressive, and the brakes feel responsive, ensuring that you have full control over the bike. Whether you're riding in the city or on the highway, the braking system is up to the. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2026 Royal Enfield Meteor 350 comes at a price point that is still relatively affordable for a cruiser in its segment. It competes directly with other bikes like the Honda CB350 RS and the Jawa Perak, but what sets the Meteor apart is its unbeatable combination of retro styling, modern features, and solid performance. In conclusion, the 2026 Royal Enfield Meteor 350 is a fantastic upgrade over its predecessors. It offers a perfect blend of classic Royal Enfield charm and modern technology. Whether you're a commuter, a long-distance tourer, or just someone who loves cruising on two wheels, the Meteor 350 is a bike that checks all the right boxes. It's comfortable, reliable, stylish, and packed with the features you need for today's riding environment. And that's it for today's review of the 2026 Royal Enfield Meteor 350. I hope this video helped you get a better understanding of what this bike is all about. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to your channel name, and share it with your friends who are thinking about buying a Meteor 350. If you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments section below. I love reading your feedback. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep riding, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers!